Alright, so hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Zoom or integrate Zoom with your GoHighLevel so that when someone book into your calendar for an appointment or anything else, it will automatically generate a Zoom link for the both of you that will be sent through email to the recipient. So let's get started now. So here in the settings in your dashboard, there are two places where you can connect Zoom. So the first one is going to settings and then go here to calendars. And the second one is just directly going here at calendars main menu. And here you can see also calendar settings. So it actually goes in the same place. And once you're here in your calendar settings, just go to connections. And here, this one's just go to video conferencing, add new, and here you can find Zoom as well as Teams. So let's just focus on Zoom because this is the video, what the video is. So if you are unable to see video conferencing or any of these menus, then you might not have the right role or permissions. So make sure you're an owner or an admin in your sub accounts for you to do this. So let's just go and add Zoom. So just click on connect here, and a window will pop up that will ask you permissions to um, connect Zoom. So you need to log in because I'm already logged into my Zoom account. But if you aren't yet logged in, it will ask you to log in to your Zoom account. And the most important thing here is make sure that you check this. So it won't work if you don't check this. So make sure to check this. But for example, I forgot to check this. I hit allow for some reasons that I forgot. Then, as I mentioned, it won't work. So all you need to do is just go to Zoom account and click on I think advanced, find integration here, and go to app marketplace because we're going to find the connection of GoHighLevel. So just click on manage, and here added apps. You can see your lead connector, which is GoHighLevel, and you just need to update that. And this one, you can see that the checkbox is here again. So make sure to check that, then authorize. So once you do the connections, it's actually connected now. So all you need to do is just update your calendars. So for example here, okay, so now let's update the meeting link to Zoom. So just go to your calendars and then update it. So for example, this is my sample booking calendar or booking widget. All you have to do is just edit it, okay? And then here in the meeting details, just scroll down for a bit, and here you can see that there's a drop down for the meeting link. Just select Zoom, and then that's done. So you just have to select Zoom for all your calendars so that it will auto-generate it. So let's just test it real quick. So if I go back to my calendars here, okay, and then let's see. So the best way for you to do this is embed it in a landing page. So let's just go test it real quick. So this is the calendar that I've already integrated with Zoom. So let's just, for example, this one, let's say, some relation here, so confirm to receive, then schedule this way, and you can see that it auto-generated a Zoom link now. And if we go back to the booking calendars or your calendars, make sure that the notification and additional option, you need to make sure that it is notified via email, because by default the email is not selected here, especially if you haven't configured any email things in your GoHighLevel account. So make sure just go here notification and additional options, and make sure that you select email. So for example here, you can enable email notification. So if I check my email right now, you can just receive the email confirmation, and you can see here the Zoom link as well. So it goes both ways, especially if it is sent according to your configuration of notifications. So this will be the automatically generated Zoom link. And that's it. So that's how you can connect GoHighLevel with Zoom, so that whenever someone books into your calendar, it will automatically generate a Zoom link for the both of you. And I hope this video helps you in any way. I will appreciate a like or a subscribe, and you all have a great day. Bye bye.